The following video will show you the proper radiator installation procedures. Install the radiator, making sure that it is positioned properly in the supports or alignment holes. Some radiators are bolted to the radiator support. Connect the oil cooler lines to the radiator. Install the electric fan and reconnect the electrical connector. Connect the hoses to the radiator and tighten the clamps. Now that the radiator is installed, we are ready to fill up the system. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see each other on our next video on how to fill the cooling system.